Yes, abanyambara naburenje kwizoba yona kambanjure aba Max Graphics abakushangwa hano yo mu Rurembo rwa Mbarara Azakaria building enyuma ya Pelican Hotel opposite na Fresco Supermarket eyabirere Nakumat. Otegwangu nitukorera stamps, plastic identity cards, school badges, business cards, ningashiru receipt books, noenda certificates, magazines, calendars, leaflets, stickers na posters. Iwe dio kwe noenda banners, t-shirts, capes, bulk SMSs, flyers na n'ibindi byona iwe tushikire tuine mashini z'omutindo amazima nobwira nobwesigwa ombuhereza kwitu rugari biriya binde byo kwetaga birahore kwezaje ije tukwereke waka etwerejerirweje akuba twikakasa umubiri turikora kandi tuine obukugu bw'amani mununga haza abaferene bingi iwe tushikire tukorera gishikire Max Graphics Limited since 2008. Satisfaction guaranteed.